Hi everyone. Today we'll see the problem on DC series motor. A 220 volts DC series motor runs at 1000 rpm in clockwise direction and it takes an armature current of 100 amperes when driving a load with a constant torque. It is constant torque and the resistance of the armature and field windings are 0.05. Ra is equal to 0.05, Rf is equal to 0.05 each. Find the magnitude and direction of the motor speed and armature current if the motor terminal voltage is reversed. Terminal voltage is reversed and the number of turns in the field winding is reduced to 80%. Assume linear magnetic circuit. So there is a problem statement. Coming to the solution, when the number of turns is reduced to 80%, then the value of the flux for the same field winding or armature current is also be reduced to 80%. As the number of field winding, because it is series motor, Ia is equal to If, so armature current as field winding is reduced, the correspondingly armature current also reduced. And if you see the torque equation for series motor, let us take T is equal Ke pi Ia. The torque equation, fundamental torque equation from the performance equation is T is equal to Ke pi Ia. If it is initial torque T1 is equal to Ke pi 1 Ia1, as pi is directly proportional to the field current, which is equal to the armature current in series motor. So you will get the Ke Ia1 square. And here, as per the problem statement, when the field windings are reduced to 80%, the torque T2 is equal to, again by using the same equation, here field winding is reduced to 80% means again it will become 80% of the armature current or field winding. So based on that you will get 80% of the field current is equal to, which is equal to armature current. Based on that, Ke into 0.8 Ia2 square. So torque T1, and with respect to the 80% of the field winding, the new torque, and torque is constant. As per the problem statement, torque is constant, that is T1 is equal to T2. By using this equation, we can find out the new armature current for the 80% reduced field winding. That is equal to Ke dash into Ia1 square is equal to Ke dash into 0.8 Ia2 square. By equating these two torques, you will get this equation. From here, the known current is Ia1 current. By substituting this Ia1 current in the Ia2 equation, you will get Ia1 by root 0.8 and minus 100 by root 0.8. Here minus by minus means because voltage terminals gets reversed. The armature current has a negative sign because of the supply voltage has been reversed. When the supply voltage has been reversed for the series motor, the armature current will also gets reversed. That's why this minus sign has come. And for any problem, we need to find out the E1, right? EMF. That EMF fundamental or base EMF E1 is equal to V minus IARA. The basic equation is E is equal to V minus IARA. If you want to find out the initial EMF, back EMF, E1 is equal to V1 minus IA1 into RA1 plus RF1. As it is series motor, armature resistance plus field resistance. Both were given in the problem statement. And the supply voltage is 220 volts minus initial armature current is 100. 0.05 plus 0.05 which you will get 210 volts. E1 is equal to 10 volts. Now we need to find out the back EMF E2, because we need to find out the speed means we need, whenever the new speed we want to find out, we need to find out the E1 and E2. The new back EMF we need to find out, and the base back EMF will get it from the problem statement. So that E1 we got it, E2 is equal, E2 also by using the same equation V minus Ia into Ra plus Rf. By substituting the new values, we'll get the E2. Supply voltage is same, but it is getting reversed. So minus 200. So if we can rewrite this equation as like this, E2 is equal to, supply voltage is getting reversed, minus 220 volts. And what is the armature, new armature current Ia2? Ia2 is equal to minus 111.8 amperes. Here minus of minus 111. Minus of minus 111.8 into Ia2 into Ra plus Rf. Ra is equal to 0.05 plus Rf, field current. As field winding is reduced to 80%, now your new field winding or field resistance is equal to 80% of the 0.05. That is equal to 0.04. That's why 0.04. 0.04. So by taking minus as common, here minus into minus plus, right? So here you will get plus. By taking minus as common, you will get 220 minus 111.8 of 0.05 plus 0.04, which is equal to minus 209.94 volts. Okay. Now we got new E2, new back EMF. We got it with respect to the supply voltage reversal as well as the reduced field winding. The corresponding back EMF, we got it. Now we need to find out the new speed with respect to that problem statement. The new speed is, now we need to find out the new speed. To find out the new speed, E is equal to K pi omega m. By using this relation, performance equation, the same equation can be rewritten as E is equal to Ke into pi n in radians per, in RPM, right? So by using this equation, E1 is equal to Ke Ia1 N1. For E2, Ke, the new current is 0.8 Ia2 into N2. So N2 by N1, if you do N2 by N1 is equal to E2 by E1 into Ia1 by Ia2 into 0.8 into N1. By substituting these values, we'll get the N2 as 111.7 RPM. So here the new speed, or when the supply gets reversed with 80% of the reduced field winding, the corresponding speed of the motor is 111.7 RPM. Okay, we find out the speed at the end. So to find out the new speed, the base we need to remember is we need to find out the new back EMF. To find out the new back EMF, we need to find out the new armature current. To find out the new armature current, we need to see the what is the condition they were mentioned in the problem statement. Okay, thank you all.